Scherzozite solo piano, single low note held. Ambient factory reverb, very distant, mysterious. Do episphere. 16 at soft cello long bow, slow rise, spirit of ecstasy emerges musically. Single French horn note, warm, noble, hand-painted coachline feel. Woodwind flutter, delicate, like hand selecting wood veneer. 40 high glass chime and synth pads swell, starlight headliner twinkle. Soft brush on snare drum, paint shop precision. Tillich chime and low string pluck grill polishing. Leather creak sample slow string glide. Leather stitching. Chrome shimmer. (136) Distant timpani roll audio system installation. Floating synth pad, no rhythm magic carpet suspension. Soft harp glissando lamb's wool mats. Single violin high sustained note pinstripe painting. Low brass chord V12 ancient assembly. Coach doors. Delicate maribbon marquetry inlay, long brass crescendo pantheon grella polishing, water drip sound and soft piano, umbrella door test, tway spring hell magic embroidery, moo gem hit every 4 seconds, wheel fitting, mute brass muffled sound insulation, wet sound, sanding, glass harmonica gallery, glass installation, right lemon flat chrome air vents, resonant wood block picnic tables, crystal chimes, spirit of ecstasy figurine. Full string section swell leather dashboard. Bright string stucco paint inspection. 4th brass swell rear theater screens. 420 gentle guitar pluck steering wheel stitching. 420 full dark cello solo onyx inlay. 432 rolling road test. 16 soda 4 seconds low. Craftsman sign off. 16 Adenipians. Wind sound card covered. 16 Tindley style. Brass major chord. A real moment. Fade to silence over 4 seconds. No note held. Ambient factory reverb very distant. Mysterious. Net. It's what peak samples, slow string glide, leather stitching. Fade to silence over 4 seconds. No note held. Ambient factory reverb very distant. Mysterious. Net. It's what peak samples, slow string glide, leather